What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about Bybit. As you might know, Bybit it's my trading platform, and recently I decided to create a sub account and set up a challenge for me. Okay, guys. So trading bots will work at some point, but then yesterday with the big dump, I was like, man, this is crazy, right? So let me just try my day trading and let's see how it goes. So I decided to create this sub account and inject 100 USDT in this account and start trading, and decided to give myself a 30-day challenge, to try to double this 100 bucks into 250 bucks. Okay. So I've created this account on 11th of August, as you can see right here, but I have not traded because I needed to deposit 100 bucks to be approved. Okay, so I did that on the 15th, and then on the 15th, I start trading. Okay, so today's the 18th, so 3 days. So in 3 days, I made 2.65 USDT. Okay, and my 90-day ROI is 2.62. Okay, obviously, I'm not making huge gains because I'm trading considerably. Okay, I'm only using 15 up to 15x leverage, and for each trade, I'm only using 10 bucks, which is 10% of my total equity. Okay, so far. So I'm gonna use the 10 bucks until I reach. If I reach 250 bucks, obviously I'm gonna reach 250 bucks. Let's get to it. Okay, mindset positive. Okay. So once I reach 250 bucks, I will then increase my trading funds. Okay, but so for now, just 10 bucks, right? And over here, we cannot see anything because this only updates, I don't know, after a while. Okay, so we have to wait and see. But we can see right here, the graph. Over here, we can see my past trades, everything that I've done so far. Okay, all good. And if you want to follow um, my my channel and my trades, links going to be down in description right here. So this link is going to be down in description if you want to follow my trading journey and also copy my trades. Okay, everything that I do, you should be able to see when I place an order. And also, every time I'm about to place a trade or place an order, for example, this one right here, 7:53 this morning, I was like, seems like this will be the place today's play. Okay, so cyber USDT seems like I'm gonna trade this one because this is the only one that's pumping right now. Again, you're gonna be able to see all my current trades and my past trades. And once um, I reach a certain amount of profits, I will tend to do profit sharing to my followers. Okay, but that's something along the way, not now because I'm just getting started. Okay, so if you go over here to initiate trade, we can see, let's have a look, let's see what's up, and let's see what's pumping. Obviously, BTC is pumping. So yesterday I tried to trade BTC at 2800 going long. But as you can see right here, I got stopped out by my stop loss. Okay. And if you click over here, usually what I do, I look for what's pumping. Okay. So for example, this one is pumping, like I said to you, 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay. That was 463.18. So currently it's trading at 465 and keeps going up. Okay. And let's have a look. The top one was at 5.1. I don't think it's gonna go that high, but hey ho. Okay. So what I will do is I'm gonna be on the lookout for this one, and then once I find a good trading opportunity, I will screenshot my entry that I usually do. Okay. So for example, I do this. So a screenshot, and you can see right here that my limit order was at 17.30 on ETH. Okay, it went down a little bit, but then went up. My stop loss was at 17.40, and then when I was about 17.38, I was like, this is gonna hit the stop loss. So I decided to call it off. Okay, I canceled this order, so I took a loss over there. You can see on the next screenshot right here, I took a loss. and my exit was 17.38. But guess what? Okay, after that, you know, the price was hovering around 17.40 and dumped all the way to 1500 or 14 something. Okay, guys, so imagine if my stop loss was a bit higher. Okay, I would have made some really nice gains, but we cannot predict the future, and I don't like to take too much risk. Okay, so I decided to, you know, call it off, and it is what it is. I missed that shot. Let's go for the next one. Okay, but yes, every single trade that I do, I will post right here. So for example, Tomo yesterday, I said, okay, I'm gonna take a short, gonna take a short position on this one, right? I gave it a heads up, and then I place the trade, and then I post the results. That's what I do. Okay, it's not to incentivize you or tell you, hey, go and do this. It's just me sharing my crypto journey. Okay, guys, because everybody likes to get free signals, and this is my free signals channel 329. If you want to join, again, link's going to be down in the description. Okay, so yeah, this one is going to be the today's play. Okay, seems like I'm missing already. Okay, so it seems like it's pulling back already, and seems like I'm going to be late for the party. All right, because I already missed this uh pullback. Okay, let's have a look. So this was, ooh, already missed this pullback. God damn it. 8% right there. As you can see right here, that would be a good trade. Okay, so I'll post this trade, well, this chart at 7:53. Okay, so let's go over to 5 minutes. So usually I go over to the 5 minute chart. So 7:53 was around here. Okay, and yes, exactly the moment that I've posted the chart. Let me move this thing. A screenshot 7:53. Okay, it went down. Okay, so as you can see right here, while making these videos, because I've made two more videos, I just missed this opportunity. Okay, because as you can see right here, it's dumping. Okay, so now I am late for the party, and I already missed this gain. So I could have made, I wouldn't say 7:53, I wouldn't say at this top right here, but let's call it here to here would be 8%. So if you 5%. So if you use 10x leverage, usually I use 15x leverage. You have to multiply this 15, 5.78. So let's call it 57% profit right there. Okay, but obviously we don't know how far the dump goes. Okay, but usually I take at least 25%. Okay, so I do 9% stop loss and 25% take profit. Okay, but if I see that the dump is going to be huge, I take the take profits, I clear it, and then what I do is I close 50% of my trade, so I take profits before I take all the profits. Okay, and yes, guys, that's it. I just wanted to give you an update about my Bybit copy trading journey. Okay, guys, so far so good. Let's see if we can catch another trade for today, because this one I already missed it. All right, so stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.